Eddie Gray, now he's got time and space to get across him, but he takes on Birch, cuts inside, right foot, and there it is! Goal number 1! Arthur Graham scores his second goal of the season. 7 minutes gone in the second half, leading by that Arthur Graham goal scored in the first half. Flynn turns beautifully, and again, can he get his shot in? Blocked by the keeper. Graham! 2-0. So it's Peter Barnes with the corner kick. Knocked in deep. Run to Graham. Graham lights it up. 3-0.
Going on from the sort of teamwork that obviously Alan and yourself put together, of course there's another important factor in a club like Leeds United.